Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can get to your private Safari mode on your iPhone 15. When you open Safari, maybe you have something open like I do right now, maybe not, but if you look something up and then close that tab again and then go back to Safari later, Safari will remember the page you just accessed and will suggest that to you. So what we want to do is we want to click on these two little thingies here and then click here in the middle, and then we want to click on private, and now we want to put in our PIN to verify that it's us. And when we are in the private mode and we close our tab or the page we just accessed, then Safari will not recognize that page again and will not suggest it to you. So that's how you can access the private Surf, Safari or whatever mode on your iPhone 15. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.